I have already blended this. This is a, let me show you the packet. This is a ham seed also, okay? I've already blended that. I add a small thyme in it. So what we're going to add now is some milk. Add some milk. I'm going to be adding some milk in it. Okay. And I have ice here. I'll be adding my ice. So, and I'll go ahead to blend. If there is any other thing we have not added, let me know. I added this, then we're going to blend it. Let's get it blend. Let's get it blend. Wow, it's going to be sweet, guys. Guys, I want to add small. I want to add honey, guys. It's optional. You can add if you like. If you don't want, you can skip it. I want it to have a good taste. I can even add it after. You can add it after blending. So let's blend it a little bit. Guys, I'm going to show you the outcome right away. I get some carbs, guys. I get some carbs. You know, it is live and direct. I get some carbs. I show you the way it looks like. I get some carbs. I get some carbs. I get some carbs. So, I get some carbs. So guys, let's just share before we can check our rice. So now we are going to add them for you to see how it looks like. Stay tuned so you will not left behind, guys. Look at, oh my god, this is very nice to dilute your food. Let us not pour it down. Let us not pour it down. This is good. Yeah, looks so yummy, guys. Guys, what do you think? This